Hello. We have job openings for Class 4 drivers at Richardson Group in New Zealand. Job description. Job title, Class 4 driver. Company, Richardson Group. Location, Queenstown, New Zealand. Date posted, June 19, 2023. Job type, full-time, permanent. Web, www.hwr.co.nz. Phone, +643 2171600. About you. You must have a Class 4 license and be punctual and reliable. Flexibility in your working hours is key as it may include some early morning starts. Being customer-focused with good communication skills is also important as our customers are the key to our business. Safety will also be front of mind for you. Previous experience with a Road Ranger gearbox would be an advantage but is not essential as full training can be provided. Company offers. Work for a respected national company. Attractive hourly rate. Full uniform and PPE gear supplied. And many more. About us. Allied Concrete Limited is a member of the HWR group of companies and a leading national supplier of ready-mix concrete, with an extensive network of manufacturing plants throughout New Zealand. The company has a significant market presence and is recognized for technical capability, operational excellence, and product innovation.
For more details and to apply online, visit the link in the video description below. Also, you can find more driving opportunities on the other links in the description. Thank you.